Select Begin Allocation to create a fault. Select the Add button to create the fault that you wish to repair. Then use the drop-down list to choose the fault category you wish to create. With the category selected, click Raise Fault. The fault has been created, but the details of the fault need to be entered. Navigate to the field labeled Subfault. To add a subfault, tap the designated subfault field. If the subfault type you need isn't listed, you can select the option for Other. Record the fault details and upload a photo of the fault. Once the photo has been added, the signature field becomes available. If you need to make changes, use the pen icon to edit. Otherwise, submit. When repair items are created, they are automatically assigned to the user who created it. If you wish to report a fault without proceeding with the repair, simply select Deallocate Item to remove the job from the scheduling queue. The deallocated item is now categorized as Unscheduled. By tapping on the Unscheduled repair in the mobile app, you will have the option to allocate it, which effectively schedules the repair back to the mobile user. When ready, click on the Start Job button. This guide covered the steps to complete a repair and service on mobile.